Happy New Year to all of you. We came on a small inspection. We got this complaint that a section of the Etche-Igbodo road is not completed and is creating a very big problem for the residents here. So I know that the previous administration did a very great job here. So I came to myself to see what the problem is. And from what I'm seeing, it's really a problem. So we as a government will see what we can do immediately to complete this section so that there will be very easy traffic along this route. It's really, really bad. You can see that. I wonder how these people manage during rainy season, because even if we're in dry season and it's bad this way, then it must be terrible during the rainy season. So we'll do something about it immediately.
Thank you.
Immediately.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.